good morning one and all. Today I am welcoming you all for this today's session to discuss the topic on thermodynamics. Under this we are discussing thermodynamic system. In the previous class we have discussed what is a system, how can we define a system, means what are the important things are there, then only those things will be there, and the particular item is called as a system. There is nothing but environment, then boundary, and inside there are some quantity of mass to do work. Okay, those things are there, should be there, then only those things, the thing in that particular item is called as a system. In thermodynamic system, the types of system we have told. So we have open system, closed system, isolated system. This classification, how can be classified, on what basis it will be classified? So the thing is, the state of system like this. Okay, so let's take this is in, this is out of the system. Whether there will be a energy transfer or heat energy is taken, heat energy transfer and mass transfer. Two things are there: energy transfer and mass transfer. Whether it is there in the system, then we can classify what type of system it is. First, let's take open system. In open system, it is open to all. Let's take like this. Open to all means whether if the door is open, we can easily go and we can easily go out. So there will be energy transfer is there. Okay. So energy transfer is there in the open system. As well as mass transfer. The mass is go inside and go out of the system or to the surroundings. Let's take for an engine. There will be work happening, so that the engine will run. The car will move in the forward direction because of what? The energy transfer. The energy transfer due to the calorific value, that is heat energy, which has fuel. Okay, the fuel has the higher heat energy, so that the heat energy transferred and it will be used to do the work, then the car will move in the forward direction. And so the energy transfer is there in the open system. And what about the mass transfer? In mass transfer, the air, let's take an air, the amount of air is sucked during the suction. So the mass is transferred and get into this system. And while combustion takes place, the air plus fuel both will mix and it will be burnt. The burnt gas will go outside during the exhaust stroke, through the exhaust system called silencer. Okay, so the mass is also transferred to the outside of the system. So there is called the open system. Okay, so both the energy transfer is there as well as mass transfer is also there in the system. Then only the system is called the open system. Then let's move on to the closed system. Let's take a closed system. Now it is closed, but a system means something to be done, works to be done. So due to the energy transfer must be available, must be there. Okay. So the energy transfer must be there inside the system, but the mass transfer is not there. The transfer of mass will not be occur in the closed system. That is called a closed system. So closed system means only energy transfer but no mass transfer. Okay, have you understood? Then let's move on to the another system called isolated system. Isolated system. Isolated means, so we have to put something alone. Okay. We can say isolated Isolator means can have a perfect thermally insulated, perfectly insulated thermal flask is take. Thermal flask. So generally a flask is there which has been insulated. So insulated means it will be reducing the amount of transfer of heat generally. Perfectly means it does not make the energy transfer towards outside, inside to the outside to the inside. The energy transfer will not be occurring. That's called the thermodynamic. So here inside this is outside of the system. So energy transfer is like energy transfer as well as mass transfer take two things. Now I just